Hi guys, happy Friday. It's Herbalist Viola, and we're going to talk about meditation. Yes, meditation. I think everybody should meditate. Meditate, you can meditate. Well, some people meditate for spiritual health. Um, that's just their way of life. Uh, Religion, they can do it for mental health. I think meditation is just recharging your body. Um, I believe meditation it heals. It heals your soul. It heals your heart. It's just so many things about meditation. You can meditate lying down, sitting up. I don't know about standing, but you can meditate standing. I'm not going to demonstrate it, but meditation is just the purest thing you can do. It's the most loving thing you can do. And look, it's free. There's plenty of free on YouTube. You can actually go through. There's guided meditation. There's meditation with frequencies, birds, butterflies. There's so much free information on YouTube, so much free music, listening to the ocean, listen to the waves. You can sit on the beach, like right now in a chair. Somebody wanted me to demonstrate meditation. You can actually just sit in a chair. Wait, let's put some music on. Um, this is going to be real quick. I do not own the rights to this, so just going to do some, just do a guided meditation real quick. So you could just sit back and just listen. I don't know. Let's see. We gotta wait for it to come on.
Hello
But
and welcome. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this meditation to
move
help
it
you find
forward.
inner.
But you could just sit back and just listen. Take it
Now that
in.
you are fully relaxed, you can begin this inquiry process.
You see how they telling you? So we're gonna just turn it off because I don't want no one to say, "Hey, you listen to something and give somebody rights." But anyway, you could just sit back and listen to a guided meditation. They'll tell you to breathe. They'll either go from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet, or they'll work your way up. And the whole thing is just breathing and clearing your mind and just recharging. Look, we charge our cell phones, we charge our laptops, everything else get charged. Look, the lights on is charging, but what are you guys doing about your body? We need to recharge our body. Don't think just because you sleeping, you getting that rest. No, some people don't even get into REM sleep. Look, I know half you guys actually wake up and like, man, I don't even feel like I slept. Yes, because your body's moving. But if you take the time and learn to meditate, actually just sit down and just breathe. You can just count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you breathe in 4, let go 4. And some of you guys don't even take a deep breath. Do you know what your body, how much you help your lungs by taking a deep breath? Look, what's going on today? You really don't want to breathe. But anyway, we're talking about with this Rona. But just take a deep breath through your nose and release. That's simple of meditation. You can do how you want it. I'm just showing you simple. You just sit back, relax. You can sit on a chair. You can sit on the floor. You can have your feet out. You can have your palms up. You can do a pose. You could do however you want, however's comfortable for you. I love laying down and have guided meditation because for some reason my body cannot relax. I do not know, but it just drives me crazy. So I do guided meditation, and I learned to why I don't need guided meditation when I first start. Yes, when you first start, you're gonna feel your body itch, your nose gonna itch, you're gonna feel your body jerk, you're gonna feel your legs, you're gonna feel like something's crawling up, and you're gonna move. But if you take your time and relax, all that's gonna go away. Believe me, all that's gonna go away. Look, so my notes, it helps with your nerves, it helps your heart, it helps your head. We want our whole mind and body to just, be as one. Just make sure you just clear everything out, all the garbage in. And the ones who have anger management, because sometimes I would pop off. Look, meditation is so, so helpful. Seriously. You know, it just puts you in a good state. And they're actually doing this in school. Well, when it was school. But since our kids are doing school in the house, It's good sometimes if they get stressed out, teach them meditation. Seriously, teach them meditation. Just like instead of doing time out in a corner, sit down, make it fun. Put some guided meditation on. Hopefully they'll do one for kids. Look, that's a good tip. Somebody can make a lot of money. But anyway, sit down and do guided meditation. Get them to refocus, reset their mind, and other things. It helps with pain, uh, PTSD, because I know I go through that. Look, it helps with PTSD, and it helps you breathe, and it definitely help you sleep, because I have insomnia. So it definitely help you sleep. So video's not going to be long. I'm going to show a whole lot of different positions about meditating, but meditating, it's good for you. Honestly, it's good for you. It's good even for sex, because some people can't relax. It gets you in the mood. So meditation is just wonderful. Mind, heart, soul, your whole body. Meditation is wonderful. You guys take the time. Do 5 minutes, do 2 minutes. Just take the time. When you get up to 30 minutes into an hour, you're going to see how your life change. Believe me, it changes your whole life. So take the time out, incorporate meditation in your life. Look, billionaires and millionaires definitely meditate. Just ask them sometimes. They're like, how do you make it? Look, you get thoughts, you find yourself, you find you actually can get great ideas. An idea pop in your mind, set a pen and pad, write it down. I promise you. Same thing in your sleep, how things come. And you know how, like, if you're working and you're in the middle of something, you think of something like, oh, I'm gonna write it down later, I'm gonna remember. No, write it down then. But meditation, you'd be surprised how meditation, what it does, how it would change your life. But seriously, if I was you guys, I would definitely meditate. It does wonders. It does wonders. It helped me, and I hope it'll help you. Look, take the time and meditate. Seriously, take the time and meditate. Heal yourself. Take care of yourself. Love yourself. Love you. Meditate. Meditation is wonderful. See, the video is not that long. Subscribe, like, and share. Share. So, you guys have a great day. Happy Friday. Bye.